How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and today we're here at another harvest house, and I'm going to do another shorter review, show you around our space that we're at. We're actually here in Cairo, New York. We're at the Old Factory Brewing Company, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can keep track of what it is we're doing out here on the road. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. So this is Old Factory Brewing Company, the back parking lot area. And as you can see here, it's a nice, large gravel parking space. And one of the employees of the place came out and ushered us into this side area of the parking lot, back away from where everybody's going to be parking. But you can see here, there is plenty of room in this area. You know, our rig is 30 feet long and the truck is 16 feet. So we fit here perfectly. And then over here, they got this little nice outside seating area. And, you know, this is pretty nice. I went inside to check in. I'm not going to do any recording inside, but I will take some pictures and show you some of the beers that we're going to try. And yeah, this is the place. I believe they allow up to 3 rigs, up to 44 feet. And they also allow pets. And I didn't have any trouble pulling in here. There's a little bit of an incline in the front of the building that you have to come up. But once you get back in here, there's obviously plenty of room to maneuver around. So right now, with my AT&T signal, it's decent. I have about 2-3 bars. I'm thinking Verizon is about the same. There's not really a lot in this town. It's very small. I think there might be a gas station about a mile away, hopefully, because we need gas. But yeah, pretty cool place. The inside is really neat. Like I said, I'll have pictures and things like that at the end of the video so you can get an idea of what it looks like inside. I'll have their menu. And then, as always, down in the description, sorry for the wind, by the way, down in the description, I'll have a link for this place and for Harvest House. And yeah, gonna go ahead and enjoy some beers. So I will see all of you at the next campsite or on our next adventure, and be easy, everybody.